Welcome, Namaste. Welcome to the Kannada presentation series. In this series, we discuss about the typing speed matrix and measure using Yoga Sanskritam unique methodology. Typing speed on keyboard, how is it measured? We will use the details below to measure the typing speed on Kannada keyboard for Indian languages. Presently, there are two systems of typing Indian languages using keyboards. One is Kannada system with a layout which is shown on the left side of the screen. On the right side, you see another layout which is typing Indian languages on QWERTY keyboard by a mapping method. Due to difference in the layouts, the typing speed also varies. Words per minute is an expression one hears several times when talking about keyboard efficiency. Here we present how this figure is defined and worked out. Words per minute is an equation based on characters, keystrokes made per given time, like words per minute. The use of word is not full word as many interpret. It is character keystrokes. Notice the explanation. Spaces, numbers, letters, punctuation are all included. For Kannada, it is the join keys also counted. Notice there is no shift key in Kannada as used in many branded popular keyboards which map Brahmi language characters onto given QWERTY layout. When somebody does an error for the first time input, how does this affect words per minute rate? One error correction is to be taken as add minimum 3 word counts per minute. Complex the error in entering, more is the number to be added per minute rate. This is because the time taken to identify, delete the wrong entry, and then re-enter the correct character sequence takes 3 times the keystrokes, that is character count. What is the matrix point? In Kannada, the first keying in of text is linguistically correct, and this saves time in proofreading. This is an important matrix value which takes 3 times the input time in the other keyboards. Identifying correction over romanization based input and reproofing is difficult in other softwares. It has a software dependency. Kannada speed test promotion is to be made on this factor for digital Kannada learning, Sanskrit learning, or any Indian language learning, and thereby assessing the words per minute speed. Each language has its unique writing style and a digital design layout. The layout QWERTY was designed for Roman alphabets which do not have the feature of joining, also called as agglutination, in orthography. Therefore, the typing speed or keystrokes per minute of English using a QWERTY layout is different from typing speed for other languages using the QWERTY keyboard, in this case Kannada, Tulu, Telugu, Sanskrit, or any other Brahmi languages. Even Chinese show the speed of 40 words per minute, but there are no special characters there. Chinese has got only keystrokes. Therefore, the measure words per minute refers to the character keystrokes and not for full words as in a sentence. The accuracy of typing is another important factor that is to be considered in measuring the words per minute typing rate. To calculate the accuracy factor into words per minute, as we said already, every error correction has to be added as 3 more words per minute. Kannada facilitates first time right input and reducing the need for editing. How do we calculate the typing speed in English? The following are some of the typing equations and formulae that are used to calculate the words per minute figure. Gross WPM or words per minute is all typed entries divided by 5 divided by time per minute. This formula is taken from the source mentioned on the screen from the URL www.speedtyping go online typing equation. Gross or raw words per minute is a calculation of exactly how fast one types with no error penalties. The gross typing speed is calculated by taking all words typed. All words here means the character keystrokes typed and dividing by the time it took to type the words in minutes. When calculating typing speed, a word is any 5 characters. For instance, I love keyboarding, don't you? Would be counted as 6 words, 30 characters divided by 5 and not just 5. This makes sense because typing deinstitutionalization obviously should not count more than typing my. Deinstitutionalization is a long word but counted as one single word. My is one word but only 2 characters. Spaces, numbers, letters, and punctuation are all to be counted, but any function keys such as shift or backspace are not included. This may not be true for non English like languages where the display character, the visual, has to be formed by a number of keystrokes to be made simultaneously or in sequence. The agglutination languages, like the Indian languages, need a different method of calculating the words per minute. Now we go to the next concept of what is called net words per minute typed. So the net words per minute is a derived equation from gross words per minute lessened by incorrected or uncorrected errors divided by time. That is, all typed errors divided by 5 as the formula is shown on the screen. To calculate net words per minute, one has to count the gross words per minute and then arrive at the final figure of net words per minute. The screen gives you the equation how it is arrived at. The formula can be accessed at the link given over on the screen below. This is rather a simple equation. The hard part is actually deciding which types of errors should be counted. There are two kinds of errors. Errors that are made and corrected, errors that are made and not corrected. So both have to be accounted appropriately in calculating the words per minute figure. The explanation for the first time errors corrected and the first errors that are not corrected is described on the screen. This is better applicable to the English language. For Brahmi languages, this will be more complex as it covers additional keystrokes, retracing the steps and re-inputting the sequence properly. The same point is explained further in this particular screen. I will show a live demo on how to work with Kannada keyboard and calculate the words per minute. I will give the steps. The actual demo has to be done with the hardware installed. The first demo is to show how Kannada is typed and the Kannada words per minute speed is calculated. Now this is the Kannada keyboard layout. If you see how we map the Kannada keyboard characters to the English keyboard, A, E. Let us take these 4 letters. If A is mapped to A, it is one character. A is mapped to Shift A. In Kannada, A is one character keystroke. On QWERTY keyboard, it is Shift A, which means 2 characters, 2 keyboard strokes. Similarly, E is one keystroke when mapped to I, but E is Shift I, which is 2 keystrokes. on Kannada keyboard, you will see E has one keystroke. Similarly, Ka, Kha. Ka is mapped to K generally, or it could be mapped to some other position. Kha is the Mahaprana or a hard consonant. Shift K becomes the Kha. That means Kha requires two keystrokes on a mapped keyboard. Kha has got a single keystroke on Kannada layout. So if we have got out of 16 swaras, the dirgha swaras, A, I, U, A, like this, on Kannada we get a single keystroke. On the mapped keyboard we get two keystrokes. So from this perspective, typing on Kannada layout using the natural language sequence reduces the number of keystrokes. So Kannada is faster for typing Kannada swaras or Indian language swaras. On the same count, Kannada layout, which provides single keystroke for the Mahapranas, is faster compared to the mapped layout where two keys to be used or unnatural layout is to be used. When it comes to the Anunasikas, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nya, Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, Nya. Here the last sound requires two keystrokes, whereas on Kannada keyboard it is single layout, single keystroke. Then, in forming the Gunitaksharas and the Vattaksharas, what we call the Samyuktaksharas, the flow on Kannada is join key is the only thing that gets added. Suppose we have to say Kannada. Ka is one keystroke, Na is the second keystroke, Join is the third keystroke, then one more Na is the fourth keystroke, Da is the last one. So Kannada takes how many keystrokes on Kannada keyboard? 5 keystrokes. On English keyboard or mapped keyboard, how many keystrokes are needed? K, A, N, N, A, D, A. 7 keystrokes. And when we type on mapped keyboard, we are not sure whether it is Kannada or Kannada or Kannada. There is a element of confusion on the phonetic value. That confusion, the need for error correction, is not there on the Kannada keyboard. So in this respect, from this perspective, the words per minute taken as keystrokes that are placed on the keyboard depends upon the practice. And we have people, trained people, who can type 30 keystrokes per minute without any difficulty to produce a Kannada language, Sanskrit language appropriate document from Kannada keyboard and layout. And the strain, the mental strain, the visual strain of identifying the characters by orthography is very minimal. When we do the same exercise with a mapped keyboard layout, there is a strain of mapping Indian language characters and phonetics to the spelling mode, working on unnatural layout, and then making corrections if needed. So combining these two factors, the speed, the words per minute, matrix and measure on Kannada keyboard easily matches a minimum of 30 keystrokes per minute, and it can go up to 60 keystrokes per minute by practice. So this is the speed which matches or exceeds the specification set for typing Indian languages using a mapped layout. In the live demonstration of typing using Kannada keyboard, you have seen a demo of typing in 5 Indian languages, a composition which you would recognize as the national anthem of India, the first line and the last line. 5 different scripts having different orthographic features and different kind of font sets and different standards, all coming on the screen, typing with the same keystroke sequence. A total of character count, or what the document shows as word count, is 88, and the time taken to key in these characters in a language appropriate way in 5 different languages is 5.34 minutes, which averages to about 16 words per minute. It will be actually more, but for a simple calculation, we can take this as 16 words per minute based on the formula given earlier. Why did we select this particular composition for testing? The composition has the sound Jaya, which repeats at least 7 times. So there is a test of repetitive finger movement across 2 keys. The composition has very specific, unique dental sounds, no, which cannot be easily represented or properly represented in the English characters. Ja, na, ga, na, ma, na. For all the 3 positions, if you type this in English, it will be Jana, Gana, Mana. A person who is not tuned to the Brahmi language phonetics would read erroneously the text in English as Jana, Gana, Mana. The words would be totally different. It will be inappropriate as a part of the national anthem of India. The composition has got a special feature which comes in Brahmi phonetics, all the languages, which is called the hard consonant, Mahaprana, a concept which is not there in the English alphabets. It is Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. It is not a smooth flowing Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. It would mean totally wrong things and inappropriate as a part of the national anthem. Another significant point in this selection is the word Jaya is also the name of the classical great epic Mahabharata in its original form. Mahabharata, from which the name of Bharata, currently known as India and Hindustan, was Mahabharata, and the name has got historic, religious, cultural significance. People of India are called Bharatiyas. People who live in this land called Bharata. Bharata, which is known as Jaya, is also the name which comes from Bhagavad Gita, the book of yogas narrated in Sanskrit. And this tradition is attributed to the great sages like Vyasa, Valmiki, Parashara, Kanada. Kanada, the name on whose memory the current keyboard is named. The great scientist of the ancient times who propounded what is now known as theory of atoms, Anuvada. It is with all this cultural heritage significance, this composition has been taken. The summary point, what we are trying to say is, using the Brahmi language appropriate keyboard, we have been able to show a minimum 16 words per minute typing speed just for a very simple beginner's use. And this speed can go up to 40 words per minute on proficiency across all Indian languages. And the greatest advantage is there will be very limited error correction issues. Why error correction is important? One error correction is to be counted as a 3 words per minute count addition. So if we take these finer points, the present demonstration is a minimum of 20 words per minute typing speed demo. Another interesting thing that you would notice is this composition, if you just count the characters, the spaces that's occupied on the document, it will be around 40 boxes. I mean, technically the box is the space occupied by a character. And if this is written in English, plain English, this would take about 78 characters, which means the length of the document in Indian language scripts is significantly shorter and more accurate. If you have got to really map the Indian language document for the phonetics of the Roman script, we have to bring in the diacritic marks, which would increase the number of keystrokes needed for the English with diacritics, IPA notation training, which is not generally provided for the beginning English learner. So summary point is, Kannada keyboard facilitates a minimum speed of 15 words per minute plus to type in any Indian language. And here is a demo. You are welcome to try it out yourself. Getting the first hang, what you call the learning curve on Kannada keyboard, if you know any Indian language, would take about an hours of learning time, 1 hour, probably or less. And then this is the speed you attain. Thank you and welcome for the next session.